Halloween is here, it's time to create. With doll friends by our side, it's gonna be great. Cut and glue, sparkles shine. Our paper dolls are simply divine. Boo ha ha, we're having such fun. With scissors in hand, we're second to none. Pumpkin spiders, ghosts abound. With doll friends, joy is always found. La la la, crafting away. Doll friends bring magic to our day. Sparkle and snip, Halloween calls. With our paper dolls, fun never stalls. Halloween is here, it's time to create. With doll friends by our side, it's gonna be great. Cut and glue, sparkles shine. Our paper dolls are simply divine. Boo ha ha, we're having such fun. With scissors in hand, we're second to none. Pumpkin spiders, ghosts abound. With doll friends, joy is always found. La la la, crafting away. Doll friends bring magic to our day. Sparkle and snip, Halloween calls. With a paper doll, fun never stalls. Fun never stalls. Fun never stalls. In the world of paper and spooky delight, doll friends bring our crafts to life tonight. Pumpkins grin and ghosts go boo. Let's get crafty, it's what we do. Snip and glue, what a game! With scissors and paper, we're never the same. Our dolls are ready, spooky and sweet. Doll friends are here, let's start the treat. Ooh, snip and glue, doll friends make the spookies through. Halloween's here, paper wolves near. Let's craft a world that's full of cheer. In the world of paper and spooky delight, doll friends bring our crafts to life tonight. Pumpkins grin and ghosts go boo. Let's get crafty, it's what we do. Snip and glue, what a game! With scissors and paper, we're never the same. Our dolls are ready, spooky and sweet. Doll friends are here, let's start the tree. Ooh, snip and glue, doll friends make the spookiest crew. Halloween's here, paper wolves near. Let's craft a world that's full of cheer. Ooh, snip and glue, doll friends make the spookies through. Halloween's here, paper wolves near. Let's craft a world that's full of cheer.
no time to waste. Pumpkins, cats, and spooky treats. Crafting with doll friends is oh so sweet. Hooray! Let's craft away. Doll friends are here